drive through the dark just to hear whispers of names I've never even heard. Blame it on the world, blame it on me, for lack of a role I couldn't serve. Do I push on through? Oh my love, you're the mineral, you're the soil at my feet, you're the headache and the keepsake of the spirit in my drink. You're the first to leave your funeral. You've got so many places to be. In the harvest, in the heartache, I know you'll come back to me. You're the goddamn life of the party, a free-falling feather just plucked from a bird. And when the gun goes off and you're starting, about to take everything for all that it's worth, and your knees might fall to the ground, knocked in the back by something unseen. All of the money tucked in your pocket could never predict who you just might be. Oh my love, you're the mineral, you're the soil at my feet, you're the headache and the keepsake of the spirit in my drink. You're the first to leave your funeral. You've got so many places to be. In the harvest, in the heartache, I know you'll come back to me.